sunscreen chemicals penetrate your skin and enter your blood. The active chemicals of commonly used sunscreens penetrate the skin and end up in a wearer's blood. The US Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, reported recently that the chemicals are present at much higher levels than current government health rules permit. For this reason, the researchers call for more safety studies. Sunscreens were first sold to prevent sunburn and did not have to meet many government regulations. Now they are widely used to block radiation from the sun that can cause skin cancer, the most common kind of cancer in the United States. To test some of the effects of sunscreen, researchers worked with 23 volunteers. They tested 4 forms of sunscreen by putting it on most of the volunteers' bodies 4 times a day over 4 days. Then they did blood tests over 7 days to find the levels of certain chemicals which could penetrate the skin and be absorbed into the volunteers' blood. The study looked for the chemicals from sunscreen in plasma, the watery part of blood that contains blood cells. It found 4 chemicals to be well above the level at which FDA guidelines call for further safety testing. They are avobenzone, oxybenzone, octocrylene, and in one sunscreen, ecamciol. The effects of plasma concentrations above the FDA's limit is not known. The research team wrote in the Journal of the American Medical Association that there must be more studies on how the chemicals affect humans. But these results do not suggest that people should stop using sunscreen to protect against the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, researchers said. 2 researchers added their opinion in an article that followed the report. They said the fact there were high levels of the chemicals in blood does not mean they are unsafe. David Andrews, a health and environmental advocate, called for thorough testing of sunscreen ingredients. For years, the sunscreen chemical manufacturers have resisted common sense safety testing for their ingredients, and now FDA is proposing that these common ingredients must undergo additional testing to stay on the market.